Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today I have, or really over the past couple of weeks now, I've given it a lot of thought and I need to make very important changes to how content is rolling out from here on out. You've probably noticed that I've been uploading a lot recently, and overall for the past couple of years I've had a long form posted every single day between Driven Wyld, Gone Wild, and live streams, and it is a lot for a solo operator to do, especially with the people I'm currently working with, the obligations that I already have, not to mention starting a new channel, the Gone Wild Live Clips and Podcast. And because of that, I've been doing some evaluating as a side-by-side comparison. This is also some behind the curtain insight to how I've been experimenting with Gone Wild and Driven Wyld. And it seems to be that because I've given some videos breathing room to grow, it actually gained more reach. And that is kind of what the goal is here, is to give videos more opportunity to grow and to give content more opportunity to do what content does. And that is reach people on the messages that you want to promote. So with respect to that, we are going to be changing how Gone Wild and Driven Wyld update their posts. First off, Gone Wild is posting on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. That's going to do a shift from to Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Monday, Wednesday, Friday will be the Driven Wyld upload schedule. And the live streams will still be live streams. That's not changing. Those involve schedules that I have to work with another person on, so I'm not going to mess with that. But weekends, I'm going to be focusing on making money. I'm going to be focusing on recalibrating some things for my business, really sitting down and analyzing things. And this will give more of a balance to each video, giving them room to breathe, and that's going to lead to better quality, focus, and hopefully a better experience for the viewers. And as always, we appreciate your support here. I think I'm going to knock down the shorts as well to just one a day. What the shorts are supposed to do is be promotions to the long form content, but the 5 o'clock posts aren't really doing enough for that. We'll see if this is a better long-term strategy. I think it'll do well. It seems to be doing pretty well on the other channel. So once again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and until next time.